Dear students, in this section we discuss about the topics is different types of errors and general error formula. Now let us start with first error is inherent error. Inherent errors are those that are present in the given data or the errors arise due to the limitations of computing aids and mathematical tables, calculations or the digital computers. In the computation, these errors can be minimized. These errors can be minimized to the taking better data by corresponding obvious errors in the data by using high precision computing errors. So, inherent errors are used to the minimized data or calculations, mathematical tables, etc. Now, next error is rounding of errors. Rounding of errors are arise from the process of rounding off the number of during computations such as errors. Unavoidable is the most calculations is due to the limitation of the computing aids. So, rounding of errors is also one of the inherent errors, and rounding errors can be reduced to the retaining at least one or more significant figures in each step, then given the last stage of this step is called rounding of errors. And rounding of errors is to the inheritance of errors in the, for example, minimize to the data and limitations of computer addings one or more significant digits is known as rounding of errors. And last one is truncating error. These errors caused by using approximate formula. So, truncating error is known approximate formula in computations such as the one that arises when the function f of x is evaluated an infinite series is called for x after truncating in a certain stage. So, this is truncating error is known as infinite series. Infinite series is known as approximate values or approximate formula. We know that accuracy numbers, there are different two kinds of errors. One is exact value and approximate value. So, approximate value is known as the errors of the truncating error. Instant, for example, so truncating error is also one of the Taylor series. Taylor series is also one of the best example of truncating errors. Now, we have to, for instance, example is e power x is equal to. So, e power x is the Taylor series expansion is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus and so on infinity. So, this is one of the approximate value is known as infinite series. So, the entire value is equal to the true value indicate of capital X by replace e power x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. So which is x dash is an replace to the Taylor series of exponential function e power x is approximate value. Consider the 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial is known as approximate value. Indicate is x dash, approximate value. Then the truncating error is, x is equal to x dash. One of the Taylor series truncation error is known as the true value equal to the approximate value, indication of the truncating error. So the three types of errors is the numerical errors computations or different types of errors in the numerical analysis. In this topic is complete. Now let us start with the next topic is general error formula. So this general formula is depends on the functional values or functional relations. General error formula. General error formula. Error formula. We derive a general error formula is using functional of relations. Now let u is equal to f of x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn be the function of several variables in x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn. Now next one is if delta x1 comma delta x2 comma and so on delta xn be the errors in x comma y comma z respectively, and then delta u is also error in u, and now u plus delta u equal to x1 plus delta x1 comma x2 plus delta x2 comma and so on xn plus delta xn. So now expanding the right hand side by Taylor series, expanding the right hand side by a Taylor series, is u plus delta u equal to f of x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn plus summation of identity 1 to n dou f by dou xi into delta xi plus square of higher powers. So this is one of the number one equation 1 indicate. Now Taylor series expansion is the higher powers or higher terms are neglecting. Now from equation 1 implies higher powers or higher terms also neglecting by the Taylor series. Now u plus 1 implies u plus delta u is equal to f of x1 plus f of x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn is indicated to u. First starting with the let f is equal to u is equal to f of x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn be the functions of several variables. The entire term also indicate to the u plus summation of identity 1 to n, I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma and so on n. Now summation of I is equal to 1 to n dou f by dou xi into delta xi. So higher terms also neglecting the by Taylor series. U and u also cancel, therefore delta u is equal to summation of identity 1 to n dou f by dou x into delta xi for I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. In this expansion is delta u is equal to, for I is equal to 1, substitute dou f by dou x 1 into delta x1 plus dou f by dou x2 into delta x2 plus and so on dou f by dou xn into delta xn. This formula is general error formula. This is general error formula. And relative error u in R is delta R is equal to delta u by u is dou f by dou x1 into delta x1 by u plus dou f by dou x2 into delta x2 by u plus and so on dou f by dou xn into delta xn by u. This is called the relative error from the general error formula. So we know that this symbol is also delta. For the general error formula problems is using to this delta. This is also a delta and this one is also a delta. Now problems are used to this delta. So this is the process of general error formula. Now let us start with the examples in general error formula. Let example of the general error formula is example 1. If capital R is equal to 4x square y cube by z power 4 and errors in x comma y comma z are 0.001. Compute the relative error. Compute the relative error in x. If R is equal to 4x square y cube into z power 4 by z power 4 and errors in x comma y comma z are 0.001, compute the relative error in x. Error in x when x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. So this is the problem of the general error formula. Now let us start with the solution. Let capital R is equal to 4x square y cube by z power 4 and errors in x comma y comma z means delta x is equal to delta y is equal to delta z is equal to 0.001. Errors in x comma y comma z. Now first we consider dou r by dou x, partial derivative with respect to r in x is 4 into y cube by z power 4 is constant, x square is the partial difference of 2x, 2x into 4 is 8x y cube by z power 4 and again differentiation with respect to y, dou r by dou y equal to 4x square by z power 4 is also constant, y cube derivative is 3y square, 3y square into 4x square is 12x square y square by z power 4 and again differentiation with respect to z, dou r by dou z equal to 4x square y cube is also constant. Now z power minus 4 is derivative, minus 4 into z to the power of minus 4 minus 1. This is also one of the derivative of the z power minus 4. So this is minus 4 by z power 5. 4 4s are 16, minus 16 x square y cube by z power 5. So these three values is based on the partial differentiation with respect to x, y and z. So now general error formula is So let us, the function is r. Now delta r is equal to dou r by dou x into delta x plus dou r by dou y into delta x delta y plus dou r by dou z into delta z. This is also a general error formula. Now substituting these values is delta r is equal to dou r by dou x indicate to the 8xy cube by z power 4 into delta x is value considered to the 0.001 plus dou r by dou y value is none of them, 12x square y square by z power 4 and delta x value is always 0.001 plus dou r by dou z value indicate to the minus 16 x square y cube by z power 5 and delta z is always 0.001. This substituting in these values is general error formula. Now first we find out them absolute error. Absolute error now maximum of absolute error is modulus of delta r. Maximum absolute error is defined the general error formula on both sides are substituting to the modulus values. Now modulus of delta r is equal to modulus of 8xy cube by z square z power 4 into 0.001 plus modulus of 12x square y square by z to the power of 4 into 0.001 plus modulus of minus 16x square y cube by z to the power of 5 into 0.001. So enter this value common to the 0.001. So modulus of delta r is equal to common to that entire term is 0.001. So modulus of 8xy cube by z to the power of 4 plus 12x square y square by z to the power of 4. Modulus of minus values is always positive values. Now 16 into x square y cube by z to the power of 5. So now substituting to the values in x comma y comma z, or when x comma y comma z values is known as 1. At x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Substitute in the above equation. Modulus of delta r is equal to 0.001 into 8 x y z plus 1 replace chestunte now value is 8 into 1 into 1 cube by 1 power 4 is nothing but 8 plus 12 1 square into 1 square divides 1 to the power of 4 is known as 12 plus x x are replaced by 116 into 1 square into 1 cube by z to the 1 to the power of 5 is known as 16. So this values is solving. Modulus of delta r is equal to 8 plus 12 20 20 plus 16 36 0 into 001 into 36 equal to 0.0036. This error is called the absolute error. So we get the find out relative error. So we know that absolute error and true value is known as the ratio of the relative error. So next we find out the relative error. We find out to the relative error. Next, find out to the relative error. Relative error is modulus of delta r by r. Since capital R is equal to 4x square y cube by z to the power of 4. At x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Now capital R equal to 4. Therefore relative error is equal to the 0.0036 divides 4. Now 0.009. The sum is also complete. Now